First, we will look at the current engineering bill of materials that has been created over time. This includes all the possible options we have within the configuration of the car and the effectivity of these components over time. We can see that certain items in the structure have had a variant condition set against them, so they will be applicable when an option is selected. Other items in the structure show their applicability over time. In this case, units 1 to 9 had a suspension arm applicable to all variants, but from unit 10 onwards there is a suspension arm applicable to the standard and deluxe car range, another for the off-road. We can quickly look at the car with all the options in 3D. In this case, we can select one of the suspension arms in 3D and see its location within the structure. By switching these arms on and off, we can review all the suspension options available to us. Teamcenter uses configuration rules to dictate what is shown in the structure. For example, you may only want to look at released items. In this case, we're going to set the rule to one we created for the Dune Buggy. By default, this rule shows me what car was like at Unit 1. Because the rule has been applied, we can now see that there is only one suspension arm visible in the structure and in 3D, because at the time Unit 1 was being built, it was the only option available to us. Now we will apply the options to the structure to view a deluxe version of the right-hand drive car. This is done by selecting the features you want available. In this case, I'm going to retrieve an existing variant configuration with a set of features already selected. We can review what these features are before applying it to the structure. We now have a 100% configuration of our car that we can review in 3D. We can also get the configuration by selecting Save Variants from the drop-down list. So let's set this to a right-hand drive off-road vehicle. And finally, we will see what this variant of the vehicle looked like at Unit 15.